Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Frank's Caliwood Specialty. In this video, I'll be making two floor-standing 10-shelf tree bookcases or bookshelves. Whew, now that's a mouthful. Okay, now in this portion of the video, you'll see me cutting down a large 4x8 plywood sheet into all the pieces that I'll need to make these bookshelves. Once those are cut down to size, I take it over to the miter station and cut them down to the proper lengths. The pieces I'm cutting here will end up being the individual shelves for these bookcases. Now, to hide all the plywood edges, I'm going to attach this 3/4 inch edge banding to all the pieces that I just cut. And it's a very simple process. You might have seen me do it on other videos where I simply cut down all the pieces I need to size, then take my trusty $9 iron that I picked up off of Amazon and start ironing away. It literally takes seconds. Off camera, I took off the excess edge banding with that little blue trimmer you saw me hold earlier. Now, I would say it took me a whole 30-40 minutes to complete all 20 pieces. Now, this early American stain by Varathane has been a very popular choice for many of my projects lately. I let these pieces dry overnight before I begin assembly the next day. The assembly portion is pretty straightforward. It's just a matter of keeping everything nice and square. And you'll see me here use a spacer for each of the shelves as I attach one by one. At this point, the project is almost complete. I simply need to attach the back support and the floor plate to these bookshelves. And lastly, I applied a couple coats of wipe-on poly to these bookshelves. And there you have it, folks. Two beautiful floor-standing 10-shelf tree bookcases or bookshelves. They are only a few inches shy of 6 feet tall. And as always, thanks for watching, everybody.